Hey everybody, now that Ever Moment is back open again, I'm going to do my 500 subscriber giveaway. I am hugely appreciative of the 500 subscribers, but now I have 650 and I'm super excited about that. But we're going to do the 500 subscriber giveaway. I have successfully put into the comments. I don't know how great, I don't know if you can see that great. Okay. I put in the link into the comments. It's called the video. If you look under my video list, it's called Friends Mail Part 2. And it talks about the 500 subscriber giveaway. And what you had to do was figure out that in most of the videos, I was singing music from The Sound of Music. And that's what you needed to put into the comments. So if we get a comment that doesn't have the correct answer in it, we're going to have to pick another comment. But the winner will receive an Ever Moment of their choice up to $50. You just have to go onto Ever Moment's site on AliExpress, pick out one you like. Let me know which one it is you like. I will order it for you. Give me your address and I'll have it sent directly to you. So let's go. We have the comments. There are 46 unique comments. So let's go pick a winner. Okay, we're going to press start. And it is picking a random winner. And the winner is GMB, GMR. And they guessed correctly, The Sound of Music. Yay, took me some digging to find this. I like a challenge. Congrats on your 500 milestone. Well, thank you very much. I have no idea who GMR is. So please get in touch with me. I will go back through the comments, see if I can get a hold of you and let you know that you're a winner. But go shopping. Let me know what you want from Ever Moment. Any painting up to a value of $50, and it is just one painting. So congratulations, GMR. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.